Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Floki Inu with the lowest fees as possible. Alright, so if you go to here you'll see that it's listed on decentralized exchanges, but with decentralized exchanges you're using, for example, Ethereum or any other blockchain, and it has a higher gas fee. Alright, with that gas fee you can buy more of the coin that you want to buy. For example, in this case it's Floki. Like at the moment it's only listed on gate.io. Go to gate.io and find the link in the description. Create an account. It's super easy, same as Binance and KuCoin, and then send your crypto to your account in here. Alright, so to do so, go to your wallet and click deposit. In here select the cryptocurrency that you want to send to here. I would advise you to send USDT because currently you can only buy and sell Floki with USDT. Alright, but it's okay if you want to send any cryptocurrency that you want. Just select it and choose the blockchain that you're using, and you have the option to choose the blockchain on the other platform you are sending from. Get to choose the same one. So if you choose here to use Ethereum, choose Ethereum as well on the option of blockchain from the platform you're withdrawing the cryptocurrency to send to here. Alright, and then copy and paste it and you'll send your cryptocurrency. And if you're using a stablecoin, that will be great. Alright, and then when you receive your crypto, go to trade and spot trading, and here we are. Alright, so if you have sent any other cryptocurrency than a stablecoin or USDT precisely, just go to here and type in the name of the cryptocurrency, for example XMR, and choose XMR to USDT and click on it, and just come to here and put in the crypto that you have and sell it for USDT. Alright, then the moment you get USDT into your account by converting your crypto to USDT, just get to here and type in Floki, and as you can see it's only Floki and USDT to sell and buy. Just click on it and here we are. Alright, so here as you can see, here is my balance of USDT. So you can just click on it and it will get filled in, as you can see, with the whole amount that you have on your balance. But if you want to just put in 50% of the amount that you have on your account, just click on here and as you can see it changes. Alright, or choose 100%. As for the current price of Floki, this is it, and you can bargain if you want to. Alright, but if you want to get in as fast as you can, just choose the current price and click 100% and buy. But if you want to bargain, here is people that want to buy with lower price, and here are people that want to sell with a higher price than the current market price. Alright, so you get to choose if you want to buy or sell. Of course, if you want to sell, you'll be trying to get a higher price than the current market. If you want to buy, you want lower, so you can buy more of the coin. Alright, the thing I'm going to tell you is choose a reasonable price, okay? Because if you choosing something like down here and you know the market wouldn't get into there, your call would suck in here and you need to cancel and choose a current market price. Okay, so in my case I'm going to choose this one, for example. Here as you can see, the moment you click on it, it will get applied on here. All right, click 100% and click buy, click confirm order, and here is your order. All right, and here it is. All right, so simple and easy with the lowest fees as possible. You got your Floki on your account. Just go to your wallet and go to spot account and you'll find all the cryptocurrency that you're holding on your wallet or account. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.